Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, orange color, black color, pink color, yellow ochre color, yellow color, gray color, white color, purple color, blue color, and last one is green color. It's now you draw A and use green color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. It's now you draw E and use red color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use black color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Kids, now you draw N and use blue color. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. It's now you draw R and use yellow color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V and use orange color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. It's now you draw numbers and use purple color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's now you draw 6 and use yellow ochre color. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.